and welcome back to my channel, Jari Creates. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing fantastic. But today's video, you guys, I will be showing y'all how you can do a photo shoot on your own at home. So before we jump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, press that bell so you don't miss any videos, give this video a fat thumbs up and comment down below. But let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Okay, so as you can see, I am all dolled up looking like I am from Nigeria. So let me just give you guys the 411 on how to do a photo shoot at home if you don't know how to. So these pictures I'm not just doing like for this video. I am doing it because I really want to take some more photos because I haven't really taken any photos in a while. So I'm doing this photo shoot to kind of give things a little spicy type of mood because I really have not took no pictures like in a really long time. The last time I took a picture was probably like the beginning of, as far as like really glamorous pictures, it's like the beginning of September, and it's October, so that's a really long time. So of course, first and foremost, what you're gonna need to do a photo shoot, you're gonna need a camera. It doesn't matter what type of camera it is. It can be your phone camera, it can be a digital camera, it can be any type of camera you want it to be. Second thing you definitely gonna need, you're gonna need some type of theme. So like if you want to do like a photo shoot, you're gonna need to have a theme. I'm not talking about like just plain old pictures that you take on your phone, like a little quickie selfie. I'm not talking about that type of thing. I'm talking about like an actual photo shoot, like if you was to go to a studio and pay for a professional photographer to take your pictures. That's what I mean. So third thing you're going to need, you're going to have like some type of clothing or some type of apparel that you're going to think about wearing. Now some people might want to do like a nude photo shoot or something, so they might not want to have on any clothes at all. You might have some people might want to do a lingerie photo shoot. You might have some people that want to do a swimsuit photo shoot. Anything, it could be anything you want to do. Fourth thing you want to make sure that you look photo ready. Like you have to have your poses in mind, your face expressions. You have to have your hair done or your makeup done or whatever type of photo shoot you're doing. Like you want to make sure you're photo ready, because if you're not, then you're not going to like your photos. Like of course you can be natural or whatever, but you still want to make sure you're still photo ready. You want to make sure you're prepared to take the pictures so they'll look good. And last but not least, the fifth thing you're going to need some type of lighting. If you don't have any type of lighting, then how are your pictures going to show up? Nobody's going to see your pictures. So if you have a ring light, or if you're going to do natural lighting like outside or stuff like that, you can. It doesn't matter what type of lighting it is. It could be a lamp or whatever, any type of lighting. You're going to need something to kind of enhance your photos so people can see your face or whatever you want them to see in the picture, because some people might take pictures of products like for their business or something. It could be anything. It doesn't necessarily have to be of you. But I am already photo ready. I have my outfit on and everything. I probably will take this off because I think I'm going to do kind of like a nude shoot as well. I'm going to have like my shirt off, but you guys are not going to see like my business, you know. I'm going to cover up the goodies. But yeah, I'm basically photo ready. I just have to position my camera because I'm going to need my ring light for my pictures. I'm going to put you guys in the corner so you guys can see the action going on. And I'm also going to show you guys my my backdrop. I am using a sheet. So basically the theme of my photo is kind of like a melanin type of photo shoot. So I really want to show how like us black women, we look like our skin is so beautiful and it glows, it shines, and our hair, our natural hair. You see I have my hair out. I have on these really cute kind of like African style earrings, and then I have on this white scarf. So, and then I have on this like cute little top. It kind of reminds me, it kind of looks like, you know, African or whatever. But I probably won't have this in all of my photos. Like I said, I might want to do a nude type of photo and everything. So yeah, and then I have like this really pretty makeup. I'm very shiny, as you can see. I have on a lot of body oil, and I have like highlight and stuff all over my body. That way my body can kind of glow. So as you can see, when I turn certain angles, you can see a glow on certain spots of my body, because I really want my body to shine in the photo. But yeah, so let me go ahead and set this camera up and get you guys on the 411. Okay y'all, so as you can see, this is my backdrop that I'm going to be using, and it's just a really dark brown nude sheet, and I'm just going to kind of like put it right over my dresser and hang it down. That way it can kind of look like a real backdrop in the studio. So I'm going to pick up each corner and put it around it. That's all I'm going to do. And make sure it's all the way over here at the edge. Then we're going to spread it out at the bottom so it can be even on both sides. Okay y'all, so I'm about to go ahead and start taking my pictures. So I'm going to set my ring light up, put my phone, and I want my pictures to be long ways. Make sure my camera is clean so my pictures can be clear. And I'm going to turn it on probably a different setting, or make it a little bit lower, because this is definitely too bright. Okay y'all, so I am done taking my pictures. I took quite a few, probably about 10 to 15 pictures, but in the end I only kept about 5 or 6. But I will show you guys my pictures. I went on ahead and edited them and everything. I even posted them. So yeah, I want to show you guys the pictures that I've chosen and edited. And yeah, but this is basically the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and watch my last video. If you missed it, I will leave the link down below. Comment, like, share this video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.